Carrie from Lovely Etc. and today I'm going to show you how to make a super quick and easy yarn pom-pom. These are great for making ornaments to decorate your tree or making garlands for your mantle for Christmas or all winter long, and they're super easy and super cheap. So let's get started. Okay, all you need for your DIY pom-poms are some thick yarn and a yarn needle. Take your yarn, hold it with your thumb, and start wrapping it around 3 of your fingers. You can wrap it as many times as you want until it looks pretty full. Around 30 times works well. Then you are going to cut off the end of the yarn. Right. Take another piece of yarn about a foot long and thread it through your yarn needle. Then take your yarn needle and poke it between 2 of your fingers below where your yarn is wrapped. And pull it through gently. Then you can pull one end of the yarn through and remove the needle. So you have a piece of yarn on either side. Take that and wrap it around the yarn at your fingers and tie it. Carefully remove it from the fingers. Pull this tight so you have a little bundle. You're going to take your scissors and cut apart all of the loops of yarn that were wrapped around your fingers so that you have loose ends. Okay, once they're all cut, you can fluff it up. Then you're going to take your scissors and trim everything down. Trim off all the scraggly ends till it's all about the same size. And there's your pom-pom. Pretty cute. To make a garland, thread some more yarn, stick it right through the center of your pom-pom using your yarn needle. And then just pull it down and you can keep adding more. You can add as many as you want, and you can easily move them around on the string to have them placed as close or as far as you want. And that's how easy it is to make yarn pom-poms. Super easy, super cheap, and actually pretty fun and relaxing. If you haven't, I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel, Lovely Etc., where I share lots of inexpensive DIY ideas for creating a home that you love.